Alright, gamers. I have a fucking drink in my mouth. Okay, so where are we heading off to next?
To Seth's shitbox, we go.
Oh, nice. Wait. Bring the light back. Just a fucking transmission.
It's for sale.
And torque converter.
If anyone wants a
Holy shit.
brand new torque converter that I did not cut off wheel at all, hit me up. I'll sell you for $5.
$5?
That's wild.
I don't think it's worth that much, brother.
This is nice.
I just moved it over here. It's running dark. I was like,
You get a heater over here too.
I don't want to get the second part off.
Why?
I don't know. I pulled all the bolts that I could see. That made sense. I'm just about to pull the fuel rail off.
Well, you don't need to pull the fuel rail off.
That's I didn't think so either, but I didn't know. I was so lost.
I think
it could be that.
Dude, you need
but
to
like,
take the distributor off. You need to get this off.
I don't know how to get it off.
Oh my gosh,
Brother.
You'd be surprised how
Yeah.
hard it was to find a video of how to take this apart because I couldn't find one.
Well,
I've been winging it.
Do you have any combos?
I don't know combo wrenches.
It's like a normal. You're like
an old,
a wrench.
Like old fat. I
Yeah.
do.
Where? Oh my
places.
god. Okay, I'll get my toolbox.
Yeah, grab me two.
Wait, I want to look at this. This is what the rocker arm is supposed to do.
Okay, show me this one.
Dude.
Show him the really bad one on this side. Oh my god.
I just brought my nitros. I'll turn my parking lights on.
Huh?
My car's parking lights.
Do like the COD, like inspect.
You take that stuff. Yeah. So you can use combos.
Bring the OBD2 scanner.
We'll need that.
So there's the light. There's the gun. You guys look. Peep Seth's setup back here. Would probably be a very nice place to hang out, but there's a giant fucking engine here. So
there's a lot of clutter as well right now.
Clutter right now because there's an engine. There's like an intake manifold over here.
Simon, all of it. I got parts in my room.
That's crazy.
Another thing, how do you get this bolt out? I don't even know how he got it on. Like I started to pull it out and it's like it's actually already on the metal.
You got to get a combo wrench in there and just
No,
crank.
but like the bolt is grinding into.
You got to rip it. You got to rip it out. Essentially, I think. So you.
I guess it's fair. I guess.
Oh, is that your O2?
That's an O2 sensor.
That was an O2 sensor.
It was.
Okay, camera. Let me. Okay, it's so bright. Hold on. That is the O2 sensor. There's supposed to be something attached to there. It's supposed to kind of look like
it's
a spark
like
plug.
rusted away.
There's nothing there. It's like a nub. Oh, my camera was still recording. Well, all right, guys. Well, if you guys weren't watching, we mounted this light to the top here, one of my lights, and now we have this beautiful lighting all over the engine, so we can see everything we're working on.
It's actually perfect.
I know, dude. This is sick.
It's
I didn't even.
daylight's out.
So.
This is what it was like when it was daylight.
As you can see, there is a giant collection of rat shit on the inside of this goddamn engine, which is gonna be really cool.
This engine has been home to many, human and non-human, and like a half homeless dude. I don't know quite the whole story with that, but it was pretty bad in the car that this engine was pulled from. I saved this engine from a monstrosity that was that car.
Good luck trying to get this thing timed again.
Well, that's a problem for another day.
Yeah. All right.
Come on, Shotty.
Okay, I think we're doing this wrong. There might be something different with Fords, or at least older Fords, where you have to disassemble it, maybe, or
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Maybe
there's something down here that's holding it in.
We're gonna try taking
Fuck
these two
Ford.
screws out. Yeah, fuck Ford.
Bro, don't hate Ford.
Chevrolet is better. Even though the Camaro is the one that died.
We don't talk about that.
We don't talk about that.
I'm just stripping it.
You just use a flathead.
Unless.
Oh no. Don't worry about it.
No, it's not gonna work.
Yeah, never mind. Do worry.
Do we need some compressed air to just like blow all this shit off here?
On God, dude, that is disgusting. That is.
You need to pressure wash this thing, Seth.
This is like a genuine biohazard.
Ever mention how much I don't like Ford?
Yeah.
I drive one, but I wouldn't own one.
That's why Seth owns one. So
Look what you have to do to get this thing off. You have to pull the pulley to take this off because you don't have space. They could have made it so it goes through here, right? No. Let's put the head of the bolt on here so they have to take the pulley off to take the power steering pump off.
There's one with a battery in the back of their car.
Huh?
That's so easy, bro.
Okay,
that's
not
like.
that bad. People
Dude.
do that to race cars all the time. Do you not have another Phillips? Or a flathead?
No, I gotta check our room.
Oh, okay.
It's not in the tool area.
Follow Seth.
My room? My room's a mess. Alright.
Crib tour, crib tour. I can't see. It's too dark in this house.
Okay, it's in my car.
Right.
Then, which is the worst spot.
Damn, setup is setuping right now. What the fuck, bro? You got some cheek marks in this chair, boy.
Yeah, I do. Yeah, I don't know if I had that.
Oh my god.
It was in my car, but we get to explore my car then.
All right, Seth. What the fuck? No wonder your car doesn't run. It's so fucking heavy. This is why your tires blew out, bro. Couldn't handle the weight.
It's very possible.
All right.
The tools got.
Why is there a rock? Why is there a rock, bro? What the fuck?
Okay, that was there before all this other stuff was there. I do collect rocks.
Why?
I like collecting rocks.
I understand collecting rocks, but like, why do you keep them in the back of your car?
Because I went camping, but so look it.
It's a cool rock. Why don't you put this in your room? Why do you keep it in the back of your car?
I have a lot of rocks in my room.
But, well, you're like, I don't know where to put all my rocks, man. Holy shit, man. There's a Lay's. Do you collect Lay's bags too?
Donut.
A donut that he blew up after driving it for way too long.
It was 2 months. So donut for a new one.
And then look at the new one. Look at the new one. Look at the new one that just blew the other day.
Yeah.
Fire, dude. I feel like I'm filming like a found footage film
There we go.
right now with like my light. All right, we're back.
We found something that works.
I'm pretty sure it's just supposed to come out, guys. I think it's seized in there.
You think?
I'm gonna have to hammer it out.
Or you can use a
somehow.
pry bar.
Yeah, like a pry bar.
Okay.
That did.
Jack shit? Question mark?
Nobody?
Oh, it's because yeah.
Yeah, it's not running on that. That's not it.
Well,
Wait,
it definitely
because
it definitely catches when you like
it's
lift it
literally
up.
getting caught on it.
Let me see. Wait, let me get in there, damn it.
No.
You core. Let me in.
Whoa. Let me get the plastic off.
You're gonna need to replace it anyway, brother. It's fine. Dude,
That's what I mean.
That shit's cooked.
Whoa. What the?
There we go.
Need a new cap and like all the rotor and shit.
Or a new distributor.
This looks pretty good. Oh.
It's a little bit.
No, it's good. It's good. Your camshaft is doing okay. It's not shearing into it or anything.
My shutter speed's
well.
all fucked up.
I think yeah.
Let that bitch off. God. Yeah. Oh, there's water in there, brother.
No? Oh,
Yeah.
There's some, yeah.
There's shit in your valves, dude.
Like actual shit?
Yes. They're
Why?
not shit. Oh, there's rust.
Oh.
Fuck.
Oh, fucking hell.
There's rust in your heads. That shouldn't be. It's very surface rust, and it's not that bad if it's in your heads. What you have to worry about is if it gets into your cylinders.
Yeah.
But you're probably gonna have to get it all rehoned,
Yeah.
like a dingleberry.
All right, how do we get
Okay,
the head out?
You just gotta take these off. This is so satisfying. Something about taking this shit apart and not caring about it.
So
Whoa.
nice.
wait.
Because it's gonna get replaced.
Oh, hey, whoa.
Seth, I'm gonna need another hand here in case this
Oh.
shit drops.
Nestor, it is not
I'm
moving.
gonna crack my fucking socket. Dude.
Are you turning it the right direction?
Yes.
Grab the breaker bar. Now we boogie.
Fuck forward.
Hey, whoa.
Yep. There we go.
Jesus Christ.
That thing was on. That might. Jesus fuck.
That's gotta be 100, dude.
It's probably just because all rotted in there. You think?
That's definitely gonna be a part of it.
Ooh. Ah, that's not bad.
Might be ARP. Be
ready in
case it does.
We're on to the last bolt here on the head. And now Seth's holding on to it to make sure the head doesn't crash into his fucking toes.
Should put on my steel toes.
Okay, it is stuck on there.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to hammer it, so. Sebastian, you wanna stop recording?
Are you sure? Like,
I get hit in the toe. Oh, fuck.
dude, this is gonna kill you. That bolt go.
You're fucking stupid, dude. Oh my
Missing a
god.
bolt from a head.
Yeah.
Are you gonna tell Chad?
Hey, chat. So we are fucking stupid. We forgot that there's actually bolts. Let me get my light for you guys. There's one there.
We got one right here, right here, right here, right here, and right there.
Unfortunately, the headers are in the way, so we're gonna have to get these fuckers off. It's a low angle, you guys. We're back though.
Or buy like a.
We're on the final head bolt for this side. Now we're gonna stand here and hope it doesn't fall on our feet. There you go. Oh. I was on there pretty good.
No.
Great. Oh. Yeah. Oh.
We have head.
Oh no.
What? The push rods fell?
All the push rods are falling out. Head is off, baby. Alright.
Honestly, Seth,
not bad.
I would just say fuck the machinist. Put this shit back together.
Dang.
Maybe clean it up a bit.
You can spin it just to see how like it is all the way down to the bottom.
Oh,
This
yeah.
is really cool. Yo!
Dude.
Well, I'm glad that this side is working pretty good. Hopefully the other side is the same.
Yeah. It still has really good crosshatch, dude. I would totally just clean it and put it back together. Fuck the machinist.
Crosshatch.
If you look into the cylinder wall,
Yeah.
you can see how it has those lines going up and down.
Oh,
That's the
yeah.
crosshatch.
Oh. This engine can't be that old, you think?
Yes, this can't. It doesn't have like 200,000 miles. This is.
No, it was definitely like lower. Oh, there's my keys. It was definitely like somewhere between 100,000 and 150,000. Is what my uncle had said to me. Yeah.
All right, guys, we got intake manifold off on this side. It's over here now. Jesus, you okay? Oh no, I'm so sorry.
It's all right.
Wait, what the hell happened?
I bumped into
You bumped into it and then it hit me in the head.
My bad. I was like, what the fuck?
I'm glad I was wearing the hat.
I know. All right, guys, so we're back.
Probably will with the new.
As you can see,
with the intake as well.
the engine looks a little different. It's because we flipped the whole fucking engine over, and now we're looking at the bottom end. Doesn't look that bad. All
That's
things
really
considered.
cool to see.
Yeah, that's pretty dope. This is where all the annoying shit lies.
Yeah.
Your rod bearings here, main bearings here. He's probably gonna want to get these replaced because they're probably pretty old. And since he's already got the engine out anyway,
Yeah,
might
like
as well. Oil pickup is here, guys. In case you don't know.
Sometimes shit can get stuck in there and it gets caught in the tube, and then you get oil starvation.
No wow.
Which you WRX owners may know about. So you want to get that replaced.
Yeah, and then you got, I mean, obviously you got timing chain here and stuff. But now that we have everything off, engine's not that bad. He's already got everything disassembled, so it's gonna be pretty easy, relatively, to get all this shit done. And then once he gets everything thrown back into the car's gonna be like brand spanking fucking new, honestly.
Yeah, yeah,
Oh, guys, my battery's dying here, so I think we're probably gonna call it a night.
yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
What?
Oh my god. Look how fucking
still-
awful that quality is.
Oh yeah.
That's
Look at
still-
these castings, dude.
Yeah, dude, they're on all these down here.
What the fuck?
Well,
That's crazy.
that's a problem for another day.
That's hilarious.
Another day, another victory for the OGs.
That's right. All right. Good night, Throwoutboyz. See you next video. Ooh.
Dude, oh my god. Look at the cards. Counterpart is spelled for free. I just gotta pay by hand. That's great.
How do you fucking treat it?